Oh shit. Okay guys, good morning. This is my second fly fishing in this season. Yeah, I never been here alone, which is nice. This is kind of challenge for me. So quiet. I'm gonna take my bear spray, knife. I'm gonna cook today also. I have a steak I prepared yesterday. Let's start guys, let's start. Oh my god, there you go. Somebody already fished here. Morning guys. Good, just start. Nothing much. How are you? Good. Yeah. Oh yeah guys, I'm gonna cross the river a lot today. No fish, eh? No yet. No yet. First time guys, I went by myself so far to the wild place. I usually go in with my friend. I hope I'm not gonna meet the bear or somebody. I'm gonna be noisy. Yeah. Look at it guys, again bobcat. See the steps? Bobcat. Huh? You crazy? I don't want to lost it. No way. The problem is it's deep. Okay, I'll try. Oh yeah, baby. I save it. This is a problem. When you fish on the river, this is your problem, always. Okay guys, I'm changing flies. I'm gonna try dark one. This could be work, because the weather now like I like. Bright and cute. So I can try. There you go. Okay, let's go, just try. Oh, that's fine. Guys, it's so shallow. I'm so sad about it. Looks amazing. I like how it's moving. I like the action, guys. Look. Oh my god, I so like this action. Okay. Hey guys, maybe finally I can get some fish here. Oh yeah guys, I have it. Oh yeah, big fish. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Nice shot, bro. Nice shot. Oh my god. Oh my god, he's so powerful. I can't tie him. I already tied. I'm tied already, guys. Holy moly macaroni. This is a rainbow. Oh my god, this is a rainbow. This is not bull. Oh, what kind of fish is it? Oh, I know only one. It's a big fish. Big fish. Oh my god. Come on, open. Oh, I need a new backpack. I hate my life. Oh my god, I'm so happy. Oh, this is a big fish. This is the big fish. Oh my god, this is a big fish. Holy chicken. Oh yeah. Oh, I'm tired already. Oh wow, this is a brown. This is a brown, guys. Oh, I'm tired, my hand tied already. Come. Oh, this is a bull. This is a bull trout. Oh shit. Oh my god. Oh yeah, I got my first bull in my life. Wait. Oh yeah. There you go, guys. My first bull trout. My first buddy. I'm so happy. Thank you so much, and you have a good day. Nice job. Thank you so much. Oh yeah, boy. You know, I'm fucking so happy. You know, guys, it's like my first bull trout in my life. Oh, super strong fish, super beautiful and awesome. I don't even know. I'm just I have no words to say anything. I'm so happy. Nice day, guys. Nice day for me. I got my first bull. Ah, nice. Not big size, but still, they are fighters. I like it. Like, wow, it's a really different from the different fish. They are really fighters. Probably because the fish always on stream, that's why they strong, and yeah, that's why they bulls. Strong. All right, I got my food, and I'm going home. I forgot I have a snack.